heading to Marina 1. So, Marina 1 is a very nice building here in Marina. Ang ganda dito, as in. So, nakita ko itong building na to nung nag-grocery ako. So, sabi ko, I give it a try na mag-video dito kasi ang ganda ng pagkagawa ng building. Yung skyscraper, yung mga paikot-ikot na ewan ko anong tawag dun, basta as in super ganda. So, here, from the entrance, started all this nice, beautiful flowers. And then, if you could look up, so first, we're going up just to see from upstairs to down. So, looking down, it's just a beautiful scenario. From here, you can see yan ay exercise. There. Then, looking up. As in, just as nakita nyo yung kay ganda. Yung lakad ka dito, yan pala yung Virgin Active. Sakit pala dito. So, maganda siya as totally. I wonder if aakyat ako. Kasi itong building na to is office building ito. Ayan is office building. And then, turning to the other side, yan ay residence naman yan. So, yan is residence back there. That is residence. At ang ilalim nito is shopping center. So, nakita mo sa baba. And correct me if I'm wrong. May mga magaganda at mamahalin na restaurant sa taas ng building na to, which is I wanted to go someday. Yeah. Here, medyo makulimlim lang today, pero as in, super ganda. It's like, hmm, parang ma-feel mo lang yung ambience, very calm. Diba? So, kung makita mo, and then, ikot pa ako doon sa kabila. As in, ikot pa ako sa kabila.
Every time I've been thinking on my mind. Every
Yan. Akala mo daanan yan pero hindi pa pinaka-design um, ng anong to, ng building na to. Ayan, ikot lang. Kasi ang ganda. Ayan, pakita yun.
what you give is on my mind all the time.
Ayan. Yung sa kabila. So, hindi ko alam kung may daanan dito. So, let's go straight there. Kaya, paikot. Ayun, may daanan din pala. Ayan, guys. Nandito naman lookout sa labas. So, inikot ko lang itong building. Which is ang ganda. So, dahil medyo makulimlim, ayun. So, ayan, dito na. Turn and turn it. So, ito ay isang magandang building. Ayun. So, nakaka-overwhelm dito. SM totally. Sobrang ganda. Tingnan mo yan. So, andito, makita mo yung ganda ng skyscraper. So, doon sa kabila, medyo makita mo na ano, kaso against the light. So, ayan. Tingnan mo yan. At yan yung seafood market, Peacock, which is isang magandang restaurant din dito sa Marina 1. So, iikot lang ako. Ayan. Guys, tingnan. Of course, yan, tingnan nyo. High-tech yung, ano no, yung tagalinis. Yan. So, ang ganda. So, dito lang, ikot-ikot. So, and then, bababa ako sa baba para mas makita yung view. Yan. Inikot ko lang itong building. Wala kasing tawag nito. Walang ilaw. Kaya parang blurred yung kung ano, yung pag nagkuha ng picture ka. Yan. So, baba uli ako dito. So, ayan. Baba na. Init. Guys. Wow, that's so beautiful. Look at that. Actually, yung yung ano talaga, yung tawag nito, yung place, nakakasabing big wow. Wow na wow. So, ganda. It's just that. Kasi nagpuputos pa. Pababa lang ako. Yan. So, doon ako galing. At diba? Ang sweet. Ganda. So, simple lang yung bag ko ngayon. Nakadiki-inway ako. Dahil feeling lang. Hindi. Feeling lang talaga. So, andito ako sa baba. So, ipapakita ko na rin yung baba bago ako mag-end ng aking video. Akala mo yung buhok ko may kulay, pero never ako nagkulay ng buhok ko. No, not. So, yan yung labas. So, there. And balik ako doon. Diyan ako dumaan. And then, back here. So, yun. At yun. Medyo maganda na yung ano. Medyo may kulay na yung tawag nito. Medyo may kulay na, ayan, dalawang bird. Medyo may kulay na yung kapaligiran. Kanina makulimlim.
Every time I've been thinking on my mind. Every time want you
Dito sa baba parang medyo makita na yung beauty ng ayan. Pero maano pa rin kasi nga, ayun o. Paano kasi? Now what?
every time I've been thinking on my mind. Every time want you here is on my mind. All the
So yun. At talagang maganda lang. O, diba? So, i-end ko na yung video ko. So, thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like my video today. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and bell all na rin para updated ka sa aking mga next videos. Yeah. Pahabol pa. Diba? So, see you soon. Bye. So, labas na ako dito. Ay, ang ganda talaga. As in, super.